What is going on, YouTube? It's been a while. First of all, cheers. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of subscribers after this because I haven't been very consistent with my uploads. But we're pretty much back. Kind of fell off, had a couple shit going on, but we gotta put a motor in today, or hopefully, probably not. But as of right now, we gotta work on Steven's car. This laziness. We want to work hard, right? I'm getting dizzy, dude. Shit. Oh my god, I'm really getting dizzy. Someone give me a beer. Beer. Alright, I gotta stop. No, I'm probably clean this up in my room. We're gonna put an AirTag bag. Cause this one blew. Where's the hole? Is it hella small? It's a small one. It's a small ass one. Oh. Alright, let's put this back on. This is how to take off bags 101. That one is hella tight. You got my grandpa's little rig right here with the vise. Got Tommy right there working. Got Steven working. Oh, and look at me, I'm working too. Oh.
Just think, like, let's say your line cuts.
Damn, look at that crack though, or that gap. Sorry.
Like I mean, what color is that shit, bro? It's a shit box, but yes, I get it.
Damn, look at these VSXs.
I got good fitment. Wait till I put this bag out.
Alright, good fitment, like, huh? Garage is a mess right now, but what I did so far was shave the bay. This is where I've been. Motor's built. Need to mate it to the tranny and then put it in. Hopefully.
Take it off earlier.
But we gotta do this guy's car. This is your fault I can't put my motor in today, dog.
I'm fucking paying you, bitch.
Damn, I'm so fucking angry. Fuck.
He's angry.
Didn't
it work?
No, it's fucking loose. Alright, so I left these guys to work alone to tighten this fitting, right? The wrong size freaking wrench. They're like, it's tight. Yeah, of course it's tight. It's about to slip off.
You're the wrong wrench.
As you can notice, the ground's wet. We gotta take a break earlier, but now the sky is clear. Beautiful day, but the sun's going down. Oh, baby. Shit.
Hey.
I did the alignment on this shit.
Look
Huh?
at this fucking gap. You see
Stupid.
tire right here? You see fucking tire right here?
I did the alignment on this shit. Came out good. Look at that fitment. It's on point. That buckled in fender though. I mean quarter. Hold up. Damn, look at that messed up axle. That shit popped out when he changed his coilovers last time. So now we're gonna go back to bags. Hold the rotor, dude. Just kidding.
You got me under your car and the fucking floor is wet.
I'm still paying you.
Damn. So it is obviously dark outside now. Almost done with this axle. We got it out in 2 pieces because it's broken. So those 2 went to go get some ATF real quick because when I pulled the axle out, I forgot that tranny fluid was gonna leak. So, but we're almost done. I'm gonna wrap it up for today. The motor's still not in, so I guess it's not happening today. But here's the new axle. Alright, let's get this bitch in. Okay, well look at what my dumb ass did. Oops. It wouldn't have spilled as much if we jacked it up on all 4s. But it's all good. Seal's still good. Didn't want to damage it. Oh yeah, I didn't damage it. Got it in. Got to put the center bearing in. Pop it in. We're good to roll. Let's go. Probably go cruising tonight. But wow, it's about half a quart right there. Fail. All right. So we were being an idiot by not confirming it was the right part prior to taking it out, you know. But
I called you.
That shit is wrong. Yeah, they just came back. Oh my god. He just came back from O'Reilly's. So I'm the type of person that likes to order genuine parts. Okay. But, you know, sometimes you gotta go cheap and get some O'Reilly shit. And this is what happens. The wrong part.
Wrong part. Wrong part.
Oh, man. Oh, well. So I had this guy cleaning my tranny. Okay. And they literally just got back from the store. They're going back. They're going back.
Let's go too, Benji. We're going to.
I'm not going. I gotta wash the garage. Steve, you want to think about anything else you want from there?
I want to kill myself.
I hit one stop.
I want to fucking kill myself, bro. Fuck, dude, in this cold ass fucking weather, dude. Fuck.
It is cold. I'm over the one slaving away.
Remember, I'm paying you, okay?
Again, that's the third time.
I love you.
This is the second axle that they picked up. What y'all see? The light. Oh, check out my Band-Aid too. Jackson Storm. That shit wrong. These splines or this diameter is hella bigger than this one. So obviously the PP does not fit in there. Fuck, dude. Look at that cute little funnel. Gotta add tranny fluid. But that is pretty much it. Wraps it all up. Disappointed, dude.
Come back again.
It is freezing out here. We're gonna wrap it up for today. He's putting wheels back on. Motor did not get a chance to go in today, but probably within the next week. Yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Fucking tired. But I'm done changing bags on this dude's car. Replaced 3 already, so the 4th one is gonna be soon. Huh, Steven? Yeah. The axles didn't even get changed because they were wrong. So you'll be seeing this car a lot more. But yeah, later. It's so dark. Hopefully you guys can see. Ooh. Damn, it's cold out here. Let's go inside. Those VSXs.